Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the new Coleman Lantern 242 BH model. So it's kind of a revised version of the 24-foot bunkhouse that they had last year and the years prior. It's a regular Coleman Lantern as well, so it's not one of the LTs, so it's in a bit of the higher trim level. It's a few more options and things like that, and we'll go over that inside. But first, let's get started on the outside. So kind of a similar look to last year. They kind of accented the grays and such a little bit more. If you've been looking at Coleman for a few years, just some slight tweaks with that. It's still got the full power package. So power stabilizer jacks, power tongue jack up at the front, and of course the nice big power awning. Pass-through storage. So that does go right through. You'll notice at the end there, it does kind of branch off a little bit, and that's because they put a small docking center there. Similar to how some of the more premium travel trailers are coming in fifth wheels. They'll have your outside water connections all in one spot underneath your pass-through storage. It's a really nice feature, especially at this price point. Bluetooth outside speakers, of course. You got the solid step entrance, standard on all Coleman Lanterns. And of course, your outside kitchen. You got your 2-burner stove, small fridge, it's gas connection underneath. So if you weren't using the stove, you can plug in your barbecue, whatever you want. And right at the back, you even got backup camera prep. So if you've never towed before, that's something really nice to have. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. So before we get too far in, you'll notice right away, nice big double bunks. Coleman doesn't cut their bunks off like a lot of plans do. They come very, very close to being a perfect right angle kind of thing. And they do give you the ladder, which is really nice as well. Control panel's right by the front door, so you don't have to go too far in or anything like that. Washroom at the back. So you got the nice tub surround, shower stall, big vanity, electric fan. And then of course the U-shaped dinette. So if you're more of a fan of the booth style dinette, this dinette actually turns into a booth dinette. So you'll notice there's an extra pedestal underneath. The table does turn this way, back bench comes out, and then you have a full booth. So you can use it any way you like. I like it this way when you have younger kids to put them at the back. Works really well for that. But as the kids get older, or it's for adults, the booth might make more sense for you. So you can have it either way. It's right across from kind of your little entertainment. So if you wanted to, you could put a TV there. And then of course comes with your little entertainment deck. It's Bluetooth, you can connect it to the speakers outside. And then the fireplace. Fireplace is an electric space heater, so it's not just there for fun. You can change the color and all that kind of stuff as well, but it does put out heat. And one of the really cool features about this trailer is this. Tons of pantry space behind the entertainment center. You could put extra shoes and such back there. Lots of room for food, games, whatever you want. Okay, then you got your nice L-shaped kitchen, seamless countertops, stainless steel farmhouse sink, gray stone oven and microwave. Really nice, really nicely lit. USB ports, power, everything you need. Over here, you got your 12-volt fridge. Okay, so 10 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge. Doesn't run off propane like some of the other fridges that you'll see out there or older trailers have. A lot of them are going this way. Super, super efficient. It's not gonna kill your battery in one day. They're designed to be in RVs, so they're very low draw. And if you are gonna dry camp, you can put a solar panel on the roof, 2 6-volt batteries, and that'll power this fridge indefinitely, okay? Plus you're getting a little bit more space. There's no outside vent on the back wall or on the roof or anything like that when you have this fridge. So a little bit less maintenance there as well. Plus it's much more cost effective if you ever had to replace it down the line. So a lot of benefits with that. Got a couple drawers here as well, don't wanna miss that. And then into your master bedroom. So you got the queen size walk around bed, storage underneath, okay? Windows on either side, closets on either side. You got a nightstand with a drawer on either side, USB ports on either side of the bed. There's a mounting bracket location for a TV here. And you can walk all the way around the bed, which is really nice in a 24-foot. A lot of the other models or other styles of 24-foot bunkhouses, you'll put the entertainment or a wall right at the foot of the bed and have dual entrance. So this actually gives you kind of more of a real master bedroom feel. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. This is the Coleman 242. I'll catch you next time.